We're going to do the borders of this quilt as lessons. So first of all, we'll deal with these 4 borders. They're each 24 inches long. And I'm going to do with the navy dark part first. And I'm using a circle. And I've used this template and this number 33 in here, which gives me 15 of them up here, and I've marked with this pen. I'm also using a variegated thread to deal with this as well. Okay, the first border we're going to do with is a deep blue one, and we're going to put circles within a circle within a circle. And I'm going to use this border circle, and this circle. And we're going to put them down. I believe there's 15 in the strip. And for the third circle, you can either choose another one from here, or you can do it freehand. And I'm using variegated thread for this. Okay, so to start with, when we draw the circle, the smallest circle wants to start at 12 o'clock, then 3 o'clock, then 6 o'clock, then 9 o'clock, then back to 12, 3, 6 and 9, and continue down in this order. And this will make a flow of different areas with different colours. So we'll come down these circles and you'll be able to see how they materialise now, and there is always a stopping place which is in between. There is backtracking on this one. We come to here, so we're moving this circle around as we're doing it. You can do this in a plain colour, but for the purpose of my quilt I did it in this variegated thread. And again, you get to stop each time so you can reposition. I think again this is quite an effective one. And again, it can be done in a 2-inch strip, which this is, or a 1.5, which the quilt is actually 1.5. I hope you will give them a go. Okay, so we're going to go round these circles that we've marked, and we're going to go round the outer, round the inner, and then round in a half crescent before we move on to the next one, and hopefully make it in a sort of